Hello everyone, I'm BatPan, a bot who uses PANARANG. This is PANARANG. I can give it to you guys so we could fight alongside each other. In this series of videos, I'll show you guys the functions I needed and had a question about and the way I got them to work. And this video is actually part 2 of the previous video in which we saw a function from a game called Amanda the Adventurer. The function is for when she asks you a question and you answer with a word. You see a reference video right now.
Do you know what we can use to cut the apples? Good job!
As you guys saw, we created the base in part 1, which was the last video. And this video will cover the function when you give her the wrong answer for a couple of times. Then the game automatically writes the right answer no matter which key you press on the keyboard. So watching part 1 is essential to understand the function. You can click on it in the description or on top of your screen right now. We might have a part 3 too for another function of the same game. And a part 4 which is actually putting the function inside a simple game. And this video won't be a long video, so without wasting time, let's start the video. As you guys know, this is the part 2 of the previous video, and if you want to understand this function, you guys have to watch the previous video because it's not like my other videos. If you guys don't watch the previous videos, you guys will not understand this function. This video won't be that long. I'm just gonna open my script. This is my script. The script we created in the previous part. We open it up. We just have to check if we have typed the wrong thing for example 3 times. Then we just write the right thing no matter what we type. So what we need to add to this code is actually a wrong number. So it counts how many times we have typed the wrong thing. So we say int. I'm gonna name it wrong number. I'm gonna make it 0 at the start. And for the start part, we actually don't need to change anything. We need to go inside the update. In here, we first need to check if we have, typed wrong things more than 3 times. If we did, type the right thing. If we did not, then we can type again. To actually do that, we need to go right up here. Then we're gonna say if wrong number is bigger or equal to 3. So if we have, typed the wrong thing for 3 times or more, I'm just gonna say make right. So it makes it right. And we're just gonna say else. If we haven't, typed the wrong thing for more than 3 times, we just want to do what we did in the last part. So what you guys gonna do is you guys gonna, go from this, copy all of this, cut all of this, and put it inside the else. This is what you guys gonna do. You can just, cut it by pressing, Control X, or you can, select all of it, right click and press the cut and paste it again here with the, right click and paste. So now in here, we're just gonna create a function for the wrong number, which will reset it, which will type the right thing no matter what we write. So in here, this is what we're gonna do in this video. This was what we did in the previous video. As you guys see, these are the codes. We're first gonna check if we have input.any key. If we have pressed any key, like this one, then we say for each character C in input string. If we have pressed any key and it was inside the input string which holds the value for the keyboard keys, then we go down here and say create a character T and make the T equal to converter, and we give it the C. So it makes it capital. I've explained this in the previous video. This is actually a function. We takes the character and makes it capital. Then we go here. Then we just type the right thing no matter what. To actually create the right thing, we just gonna say text house num.text is equal to holder house number from the house number dot to string. It's gonna automatically write what we give it when you press anything. For example, even if you press A, it's gonna type B. If you made mistake 3 times, it will help you automatically. You can make the number bigger, for example 5 times. I made it 3 so I can test it out. Then we say house num plus plus, so it writes the next thing. Then we say could int plus plus. Then we check if we've finished it. So we say could int is equal to holder.length. If we have typed enough characters as a holder, then we say can write is actually equal to false, and we break. And for example, if it corrected me and I didn't type the right thing and it just corrected me, I just want the text to be blue instead of green. So to do that, we say int I equal to 0, I less than text the length. We say I plus plus. Under here, I'm gonna say text house number I dot color equal to color dot blue. Or you can give it any color you want. You can even give it your custom color. You're just gonna have to say public color 32, example color 1. You can give it your custom color instead of color dot blue. You can give it your color 1. So this was it. Now we need to go for a part where we add the wrong number, increase the wrong number. So in here, I create an enumerator in the previous video. So when I type anything wrong, it goes inside the enumerator, it makes the color red. It waits for 1.5 seconds. Then it goes down here and it resets everything. So when it is gonna reset everything, I'm just gonna say wrong number plus plus. So it increases my wrong number. When it is 3 or more, it corrects me automatically. So if I type the correct thing, it's gonna be BatPan. It won't let me type anymore. As we created in the previous video, it made it green. If I type the wrong thing, it's gonna be red, and again red. So for the fourth time, I'm just gonna press P multiple times. It will automatically, as you guys see, correct me and give it the color we just said. So this was the function. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I tried to explain it as simple as I could. If you didn't understand any parts, I would be happy to answer your questions in the comment section. I'm gonna go do something for the end of the video, as I did in my previous videos. So this is what I created for the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.